because this is gonna get on fire, baby.
Yeah. That's a yes. That's a yes.
So accidents happens, huh?
This. I cook.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel.
Yes, I'm at home. Okay guys, welcome back to our channel. Guys, we're so excited. We're doing videos every single week.
Yes. We're gonna be doing DIYs as always,
yes.
Daily life. We highly suggest you to subscribe to this channel because this is gonna get on fire, baby.
Yeah. Don't copy me. He's copying me.
I'm not copying you.
Yeah, you are.
It comes from inside of my heart.
Oh yeah, sure. Okay guys, so for today's video we're going to do something really beautiful. It's going to turn out, at least in my mind, it's going to look beautiful.
It is gonna
but it's going to
you know
be,
how we are, you know
yeah.
how it works.
But it's gonna be super easy. It's something that everybody can do on a budget to make a nice change in your home with a big impact, but like I said, on a budget. So you guys know that in one of our latest videos we did these doorways beams. They are faux but they look amazing, and we did it on a budget. We love how this whole entry looks now,
but now we were shopping for something else. Like if you watch that video, you know that we were looking for like a round mirror.
Yes.
We couldn't find it.
No.
But we find something else that we're gonna show you in this footage right here.
Yeah. Okay guys, so we are doing some shopping. We are at Marshalls and I just found the most beautiful piece in a long time. We was not looking for these, but I
we were
love
looking
it.
for something else, but then we find these at a good price. I think it's a really
beautiful.
good
Let me show you. It's a bench. Let me show you. Love it. I think it's so beautiful. Love the wood. It's very similar to the one that we have. It's just simple, but it has this nice touch, and I think that makes the bench different.
Yeah, and
the color. You like it?
Similar.
And I think it's in a very good price, $80. And I think it's beautiful. Love this detail, love the wood, love the shape. Everything is beautiful.
I like it.
Can we get it?
I think it's perfect for it.
Yay! That's a yes. That's a yes. So as you see, we shop a bench. We was not planning on.
Yeah, it wasn't on our plans. We were looking for a round mirror.
Yeah.
And then something appeared that really matched our entry. And we decided to start with the entryway.
Like always, welcome to our home. This is the DIY that we did in one of our latest videos. And this is the entryway that we have. Excuse me, sir.
This way, Monty. This way.
Vente.
Thank you.
So this is the area that we are thinking on put that bench, and I think we can make something else to make it look beautiful, and some touches on a budget, of course.
Yes, and also what we're planning here is using some of our leftover materials from this project also and reuse it here.
Yes.
So that's something that you guys can also do. Like if you have leftovers of wood or any other material, you can reuse it, and that's what we're gonna do here to make it on a budget.
Yes. So what we're going to do is to make like a coat rack, basically. We don't use coats here in Puerto Rico.
No, especially today, we're in the 80s already before noon.
Yeah.
So
We're not
you can
gonna
imagine how hot it's here.
We're not gonna be using coats, but it's going to work as a decoration piece for the entryway.
Maybe hanging some decorations and stuff here.
So that's what we're going to use. First, let's work with this wooden piece. We need to cut this, right? Because it's pretty long.
I sand it already, and now Jess is gonna paint it.
So I'm gonna paint only one side, just to see if I like it better in black color or this same color in special walnut. And to paint this in black color, I'm going to be using chalk paint. This is the one that I always use.
So accidents happens, huh?
This why this always happen to me?
Are you picking it up?
Of course.
Wow.
I'm not gonna lose this.
Oh my god.
Ah. This happened too in one of our first videos.
It was in the bathroom. Well, it was in our apartment's bathroom, but it wasn't that small spill.
It was
basically the whole thing. The whole thing spilled in the floor. Oh my god, what a day. Wow, it was
black
crazy.
Paint too. It was black paint too. Let's put the bench to see how it looks with the piece of wood that we paint in black color. Okay. This is in black color. Or the wood. Which one? Okay. The black color. Let me see with the focus. Okay. Or
Yeah, black.
black?
Yeah, I like it
Let me
better
see
black.
with the hooks. Yeah, black.
So I did all the measurements for the rack, and now I'm gonna use these pieces right here, where you can put a screw in it, and then we're gonna hang it in here. So. The piece is ready. See how it looks. I think it looks good. Okay, so this is how the project is looking right now. Still unfinished, but it's noon already, and Jess is cooking.
I cook.
She cooks. Look at that. White rice, beans. I'm gonna show you. Look at that. And what are you doing in the air fryer?
Chuleta. It's a chuleta.
Pork chop. Yummy.
The air fryer. Yeah.
Yep. That's awesome.
It's hot.
I'm hungry already.
Always hungry.
I'm always hungry.
Okay, I'm gonna show you something that I really want to do, but I don't think it's gonna work. I have these bells that I got from the Target Dollar Spot a long time ago, and I add like a piece of wood. I have another one too, but my plan was to put a light inside of these and put them there. But I think it's gonna be too much. I want this area to look like simple and I don't know, calm. And because I'm going to hang some stuff, I think it's gonna be too much. So I'm gonna leave it like that, but we need to decorate this area. So I need to go downstairs because all of my storage bins are there with the decoration. So let's go.
Jess is gonna take the decorations, and this is how it turned out in the last video that the camera got damaged. So I don't know if you remember that there was a lot of stuff around here. At least those bins were right there, and we moved them close to the wall. And then there's more space to walk all around here now. What you got?
Okay, I don't want to hang a lot of stuff, so I think maybe some greenery and these. I have some bells that is in one of these. I have no idea which one. So I think for now maybe this.
Okay.
Let's see. Okay, so what I think it can look good in this area is to add some pillows. I'm going to use two. One of these, and it's an insert pillow cover. I'm gonna leave you guys a link of these in the description box. It's from Amazon. It's really good, soft and beautiful. So I'm going to add this green one. And I have this one for so long. It's from the Target Dollar Spot and it says welcome. So I think it's gonna look good on this area. And I have these like small throw blanket. I think it can look good if I add more pattern in these. So let's do that. I wish I can have like 2 baskets or maybe 3 to put on the bottom, but I don't have them right now. I can't find anything in like a set of 3 or maybe 2, but So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this basket that I have, and I get it from a thrift store. I really like the shape and the color match is really good. So I'm going to add just one basket here. I thought maybe some flowers because it's spring finally. So I'm going to be adding some flowers and greenery, and I have these, it's in a basket already, but I'm going to leave it just like that because I think it works. Now I want to hang something here. So I have a few things that I got from the storage bins.
So guys, we finished this project today.
Yay!
It was super easy, and I think it matched perfect with the last project that we did.
Yeah, with this wood here and the black. We really love to decorate with wooden pieces and black and greenery. So
and
that's,
reuse things.
Of course.
That's something that we really like to do.
Yes.
Like in this case, this piece of wood that somebody else maybe throw it away.
Yeah.
But we find a use to it.
Of course.
So just decorate it and ready. She left some hooks here. Without any decoration, just to make it functional. So when we take our coats here,
Oh, sure.
we can hand them over there. And I think
Maybe
that's a pretty good
umbrellas
idea.
or things like that, but no coats for sure. I'm sweating.
Yes, it's almost. I think it's almost 90
Like
degrees,
90.
or at least it feels like that. I don't know.
I'm sweating. No,
But
no
yeah.
coats. But I think it looks pretty good. Nothing was new, like only the bench.
Well, just the bench.
Just the
Yeah.
bench. Everything is old decoration that I have from the old house.
From Florida.
Yeah,
Yep.
And yeah, we did it. I think it looks beautiful.
Awesome.
If you like it, please give us a big thumbs
up.
up.
Remember to follow us on our social media pages. You can visit our webpage, justmine.com. You're gonna find everything on the description of this video and every single video.
Guys, thank you for the love and support. We're gonna eat now.
And now we're gonna eat rice and beans.
Chuleta.
Pork chop.
Yeah. Thank you guys. Mwah. Love you and see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye bye.